Welcome to our ET Wellness Room. Let's take a quick look at what's inside. This unique space builds upon our commitment to mental health and wellness and will provide an additional layer of support for our students. The retreat features a biophilic design, interior designs that incorporate elements of nature, creating a home-like feel to help students better cope with the daily stresses and to support their social and emotional well-being. It offers a space of calm, punctuated by mindfulness activities such as journaling, aromatherapy, crafts, and more. Students may work with their counselor to learn techniques to help them build resilience and self-regulation skills so they may gain a better sense of control and return to learning. ETHS and SVUSD are proud to open the retreat and thankful to OCDE and CHOC for their generous contribution, and we hope to expand the availability of our wellness offerings in the future. Well, that's all for the Wellness Room. We cannot wait to welcome you and stay tuned for more ways to use this space in the future.